Hi, my name is Orbis, but you are about to see is my very own choreography of Confident Hero in the tune of School Shop by Will.i.am and Britney. First, I will show you our dance moves step by step. Let's begin with squat and roll. Squat, close, then roll your arms and shoulders like this. Squat, close, then roll. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next is the punch upwards. Punch upwards when moving sideways and point. Okay. Point. One more time. 1, 2, 3, point. 1, 2, 3, point. Next is the sideward swing. All you have to do is raise your arms like this, step sideward, and then swing. The other side, step, swing. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, let's do it from the top, but only faster so that we can catch up with the music. Squat. Roll. Squat, roll, punch. Again. Swing. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Moving on to our chorus, the palms open. Close your arms, covering your face, and then open. While pointing your feet in front. Then close. Open. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next is the squat 45. Squat while forming your arms with 45 degrees. Then close. Squat. Then close. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next is the shoulder wave. Put your hand on your tummy and then move your shoulders sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, then wave. Again, let's do it faster. Close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, squat. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shoulder wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, wave. Next is the jumping rope step. It's like playing a jumping rope. Jump with one foot, but spinning your hands like you're holding a jumping rope. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then put your hands open on your front. To the other side. Again. Jump rope. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In front. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next is our second stanza. First step is the backward push. Step backward, then push. Close. Push. Close. Push. Close. Push. Close. Again. Backward push. 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 And then forward pull. Step forward by pulling with one hand. Pull. 1, 2, pull. Again. 1, 2, pull. 1, 2, pull. Then next is the ab workout. Go sideward, then close. Open. Spread your legs. And then point your elbow to your knee. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then jump. Cross your legs. Spin to the other side, then close. Open, elbow to your knee, then spin. Again. Next, the jump and pull. Jump sideward with your arms straight level in your shoulder. And then fold. Your arms like this, and your legs like this. To the other side. Fold. Fold. And then fold. One more time. Jump, fold, jump, fold, jump, fold, jump, fold. And then let's go back with the first stanza. Squat, close, roll. Squat, close, then roll. 5 upward. 1, 2, 3, point. 1, 2, 3, point. 1, 2, 3, point. 1, 2, 3, point. Then swing sideways. Raise your arms like this. Swing. 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's all our dance move.